Ahead, assessing more industrial earnings and a whale of a good time later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Wednesday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. Boeing helping to provide a boost to stocks after Tuesday's rout fueled by weakness from DuPont and United Tech. The airplane manufacturer and Dow component beating profit forecasts and raising its outlook for the year. Fellow Dow component AT&T less positive, missing forecasts as it added fewer customers than expected. It blamed a shortage of iPhones. Checking the shares right now. We've got Boeing up at about 2.25% and AT&T down at nearly 3%. Our power player of the day says he's looking for stock bargains. It's the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. In an interview with CNBC, Buffett said he's been buying on weakness in the last week. Buffett also said the global economy is slowing, but the U.S. faring better, especially in the housing market. He said he's recently bought shares of Wells Fargo and IBM, while he has sold Procter & Gamble, calling its earnings disappointing. One stock Warren Buffett not buying, Facebook. It reported third quarter earnings of $1.3 billion, up 32% from the same period last year. Seems it's finally sorting out its mobile ad strategy. Revenue there totaling roughly $150 million. That's about triple what it did last quarter. Facebook shares closed at $19.50 yesterday, and right now they're up at $23.89. On the flip side, Netflix sinking after saying it added fewer U.S. customers in the third quarter and rolled back its yearly forecast of new streaming subscribers. Quarterly profit did beat expectations. Our daily digit today, 4.9 billion euros, or about $6.4 billion. That's how much former Société Générale trader Jérôme Kerviel was ordered to repay the bank in France's biggest rogue trading scandal. Reuters' Angeline Ong joins us now from London. Angeline, wow, that is a lot of cash.
It is huge, Lisa. $6 billion is roughly the size of the economy of Rwanda. Plus, it's also the bailout amount Catalonia is asking from Spain, and that's not all. Kerviel's also been sentenced to jail for 5 years, 2 of which are suspended. Now, it may seem like a big sum, but don't forget, this is punishment for his role in taking risky bets, costing SocGen around $6 billion to unwind in the first place. Kerviel always said his bosses knew what he was doing, they knew the risk he was taking, but the court ruled that he was the sole creator, inventor and user of a fraudulent system that caused these damages to the French bank.
So, Angeline, is this case now closed?
Lisa, I suspect we may see Kerviel in the headlines again. His lawyers are already looking at the possibility of fighting his case once again and taking it to the highest appeals court. Back to you.
Okay, Angeline, thanks so much from London. And finally, scientists in San Diego found themselves saying, wait, who said that? As a beluga whale spontaneously mimicked the sound of a human voice. Give a listen. Sounds like he's tooting his own horn, actually. Scientists at the National Marine Mammal Foundation say the talking whale was discovered when a diver mistook the sounds for underwater directions from another human. The so-called conversations were heard several times before the foundation realized it had a whale that one day might even outdo Flipper. That's the latest from 3 Times Square this Wednesday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube channel at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Lisa Bernhardt. This is Reuters.